Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use Snapchat username search. So before I show you the way how you guys can use it, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel, because it helps our channel to grow and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Now, to use Snapchat username search, first you need to have the person added to your contact list. So to add a person to a contact list, you need to have their phone number. So basically you need to know their phone number. So if the person has created a Snapchat account using that phone number, basically you guys can find them. Or like if you have a name of the person on your contact list and that matches on Snapchat, then it's gonna be shown over there as well. So basically phone number and their username, if they match, then they're gonna be shown over here. So to see that, you can click on a Bitmoji over here at the top. Once you're over here, you can scroll down at the bottom and click on add friends. And over here, as you guys can see where it says all contact, you can just click on all contact and click on continue. You can see over here all the persons whose phone number you have are going to be shown over here. Who has Snapchat is going to be shown over here. As you guys can see, all these people have Snapchat. So yeah, these are all the people who are added over here who has Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll see you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.